Welcome to October's Makerspace Challenge. It's also our first of the year. So the winning team today is going to have a lot of pride because that means you're designers, creators, and innovators. We're very excited. Today we are doing the Floating Trash Boat Challenge.
Yay! Trash boat.
Your mission, if you choose to accept it, you have been asked to research and develop a scale model of a container that a city could actually use to haul trash away from an island. The city is looking for a container that can hold the most weight and still be able to float. The constraints: you may not anchor to the container in any way. So at the end of this, you're going to have built some kind of floating device. And we're going to do our judging out in the hallway. There's going to be 4 big bins with water. You can't tape the thing to the side. It has to float on its own. Okay, that's the first constraint. Secondly, your vessel, it has to float for 5 seconds before any weight is added. So we're going to let it sit there for a few seconds to make sure it floats. Then we're going to start to add pennies to see how many pennies it can hold before it sinks. When any part of your vessel or any of the weights touch the bottom of the container, you are sunk. So we'll keep counting and we'll see how many it holds, and then when it goes to the bottom and doesn't hold anymore, that means you're sunk. All you're gonna get are 6 sheets of plain white paper, half a sheet of transparency, it's clear paper, 24 inches of masking tape. That's it. That's it. That's it. Here's the ending. We're going to give you 25 minutes. I will put a timer up like any of you that were here last year. I'll have a timer up here the whole time. At the end of the 25 minutes, you are done building. Okay? You should probably talk it out first, design a little bit first, think about it first, and then you start building. At the ending, you have 25 minutes. We will place the boats in a water-filled containers out in the hallway. After 5 seconds, we will start adding pennies. There'll be an adult at each station adding the pennies while you watch. We will count the pennies. The boat that holds the most pennies wins. Get with your team. Good luck.